Knowing the chapter-wise weightage for all of your subjects is very important if you want to score a really high percentage. Studying smart is as important as studying hard, and in today's video, I'll be sharing the marks-wise weightage of each of the chapters of biology of ICSE Class 10 Board Exams 2024. I've analyzed all the previous year papers and the specimen papers of the last few years, and I've come up with this data which will help you prepare very strategically so you can get the best output with minimum input. Since the last video got so much of love, we crossed the 600 like target as well. Here's a little surprise for you. Special 15k giveaway for ICSE books. Whichever books you want, you can comment down below and let me know, and I can add that to the giveaway as well. There will be multiple winners, so your chances of winning increase. I had also shared it in the last community post that I am conducting this giveaway very soon as we hit 15k subscribers. So do subscribe, and that is how you enter the giveaway. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and comment down below done, and I'll also be sharing this same message in the next few videos as well, so more people can join. And also share this video with 5 of your friends at least. And bonus, follow me on Instagram and join all my Telegram groups, because all of that is very helpful for you as well. Starting with biology, that was a subject where I scored 100 out of 100. I was so thorough with the syllabus, and I will share how I did that. Number 1 is reading the entire syllabus very nicely. Read the syllabus and do the questions which are relevant to the syllabus only. Do not study extra. Like sometimes the textbook has a lot of extra details which we do not need to study at all. So stick to the syllabus, learn everything. Always highlight in your textbook, use textbook markings. And here's the chapter wise weightage for all the chapters. Basic biology, cell cycle, cell division is for 13 marks. Genetics is for 8 marks. Total 21 marks. Plant physiology is for 22 marks. Absorption by roots 3 marks. Transpiration 1 mark. Photosynthesis 14 marks. Chemical coordination in plants is for 4 marks. Circulatory system is for 8 marks. Excretory system is for 4 marks. Nervous system is for 5 marks. Sense organs is for 10 marks. Endocrine system is for 4 marks. Reproductive system 13 marks. The human anatomy and physiology entire section is for 44 marks, which is very important, and the entire section is connected, so you should study that together. Sense organs is a chapter which you cannot miss out. It always comes in the paper with the highest weightage. Secondly, endocrine system is also very important, so I would definitely recommend doing all the systems very thoroughly. If you read the syllabus, if you read the chapters as well, like multiple times, maybe 2 to 3 times, then you will be so thorough that you will be able to solve all the questions. What I had done personally, I took the tenure papers, did all the section 1 questions together, and then I did the section B, like all the questions. I didn't miss out. The total of the entire weightage will come up to 100, because there are some optional questions, but while you're practicing at home, you should do all questions at home, and you should be able to finish the entire paper in 1.5 hours, especially if it is your strong subject. Trust me, if I could do it, so can you. You just need to be very thorough with the syllabus, and your practice needs to be really good. Human evolution is for 5 marks. Pollution is for 8 marks, so the total comes out to be 100. Generally diagrams पे लोग focus उतना नहीं करते हैं bio पे, because सोचते कि इतने सारे diagrams है, क्या learn करें, कैसे learn करें. I had shared a video with all my textbook markings, so definitely check that out. उसमें if you see, every diagram has a little note, either I plus L or D plus L. I plus L means identification and labeling, D plus L means diagram and labeling. So whichever has D plus L, you need to practice drawing the diagram as well. And ज़्यादा नहीं है, there are maybe 10 to 15 diagrams at max, and उसमें imagine if 2 or 3 come in your paper, you will be able to solve that. आपके 10 marks ऐसे free में आ जाएंगे. Do not skip diagrams, and especially try practicing at home, like previous year question papers में से ही निकाल के picture, and generally all the pictures are very dark and black and white, and it is very dull, so it is very hard to identify as well. So be careful and don't make mistakes over there. there. You could also get some sample papers like these Oswal Gurukul sample papers. Like this one is for mathematics. These are for CBSE, but I'm pretty sure you can find it for all the boards. So the links will be in description. इसमें एकदम अच्छे से सारे questions दिए हुए, सारे answers अच्छे से दिए हुए. So you can learn from here, and using the question answer format really helped me learn the entire information very nicely. So I would definitely recommend you to get any of these books. All the links are in the description. If you practice a lot of questions, there is no chance कि आपका board exam अच्छा नहीं जाएगा, because the questions that you will practice at home will come in the exam the exact same or just a little different. So read the question paper nicely. First see what is asked. अपने मन से कहानी लिखना मत start करना, पढ़ना कि वो पूछ के आ रहा है, and think about it. Give yourself 5 seconds. Just think about all the points you want to include according to the marking. Like if the question is for 1 mark, you'll write a short answer. 2 marks, then a little longer. 3 or 4 marks, then a long answer. So keep that in mind as well. I could share the PDF with you. The link is in the description, so you should definitely join. Over 6,000, almost 7,000 students are there in my Telegram group at this point, and I'm really grateful. And it has been helping a lot of you. Like मेरा उससे कोई फ़ायदा हो ही नहीं रहा है. That group is just to help you. Like इतने सारे sample papers, इतने सारे practice questions, all of that I've been sharing, like pre-board papers of different schools, and so much that will help you in your preparation. Like इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स के मेरे पास मैसेज आते हैं ना कि उनको ये पेपर इतना हेल्प करा, इतना सारा अलग अलग क्वेश्चन फॉर्मेट्स, अलग अलग बुक्स के PDFs, एंड एवरीथिंग इज वेरी हेल्पफुल. सो डेफिनेटली ज्वाइन एंड मेक ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स ज्वाइन. ऐसा छोटा सा कम्युनिटी बिल्ड करो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, दैट यू आर हेल्पिंग देम विद देयर स्टडीज एंड दे आर हेल्पिंग यू विद योर स्टडीज. सो यू ऑल कैन ग्रो टुगेदर. लाइक योर कॉम्पिटिशन इज नॉट जस्ट योर क्लासमेट्स. लाइक पूरा इंडिया ICSE का बोर्ड एग्जाम देगा, आपका पूरा कंपटीशन वो है. लाइक अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ compete नहीं करना है, उनसे हेल्प लेना है, उनको हेल्प करना है, एंड यू ऑल शुड ग्रो टुगेदर. सो कीप दैट इन माइंड. सब्सक्राइब टू माई YouTube channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.